everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the viral TikTok crispy rice, so let's get started with the video. Begin by washing 1 cup of sushi rice. Washing rice is super simple. All you have to do is add water to your rice and then stir it around, then drain the water and repeat until the water is clear. When you finish washing your rice, place it in a rice cooker and then add 1 1/4 cup of water. Place the lid on top of the rice cooker and then cook your rice. While the rice is cooking, we're going to make some sushi vinegar. In a measuring cup or small bowl, add 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together until well combined and then set it to the side. Once your rice has finished cooking, place it in a large bowl. Then season your rice with the sushi vinegar. Pour the sushi vinegar on the rice paddle to drizzle the vinegar on the rice. Then mix it into the rice. When you finish seasoning your rice, set it to the side. Next, cover the inside of a small baking dish in plastic wrap. Next, pack the rice into the baking dish. Next, tightly pack the rice into the baking dish. When you're finished, cover the rice and place it in the freezer for 45 minutes. While the rice is chilling, we're going to prepare our toppings. First, we're going to make some spicy crab. Shred or chop 4 to 5 sticks of imitation crab. Then add 2 tablespoons of Kewpie mayo and 2 tablespoons of Sriracha. Next, mix everything together until well combined. When you're finished, set the crab to the side. Next, slice half a cucumber into small pieces. Then cut 1 Serrano pepper into slices. And finally, peel and slice an avocado. When you have finished prepping all of your toppings, set them to the side. The rice should be finished chilling by now. Take it out of the baking dish and cut it into equal sections. Once you finish cutting the rice, you can begin frying them. In a pan over medium heat, add vegetable oil. You can either shallow fry or deep fry your crispy rice. I'm going to shallow fry mine. Once the oil is hot, place your rice in the pan and then fry them on each side until golden brown. Once your rice has finished cooking, take it out of the pan and place it on a paper towel covered plate. Then repeat this process until you've cooked all of your rice. Now that everything has been prepared, we can now assemble our crispy rice. Begin with a piece of crispy rice and then add a few slices of avocado and a few slices of cucumber. Then add the spicy crab, a serrano pepper, some green onions, and some sesame seeds. And that's it. Now repeat this process with the rest of your crispy rice. And this is the finished result! This was delicious. It's a really easy, light snack. Just a warning though, if you don't like super spicy stuff, don't add the serrano pepper. It tastes great, but it's really spicy. Overall, the crispy rice was super good. I liked how everything tasted together, and I would definitely make this again. Also, these would make really cool fancy appetizers. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!